subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has announced its new mid-range 5G phone under Play series in China called Honor Play 5 Youth. Talking about the specifications, the Honor Play 5 Youth features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it has a large 94.4% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MC4 GPU, and it packs with 8GB of RAM that is expandable up to 2GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor Play 5 Youth supports a dual camera setup in a squarish module at the top center with LED flash. The dual-ray camera houses a 64MP main camera with f1.9 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the pill-shaped hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box with Magic UI 4.2 skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 4300 mAh battery that supports 66W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and for gaming it has GPU Turbo X and Link Turbo X features for better performance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.8 by 74.7 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor Play 5 Youth has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1799 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Aurora Blue and Magic Night Black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from November 1st. So what do you guys think of this Honor Play 5 Youth smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.